Welcome back to the channel and welcome to this video. Hey, listen, y'all, the video I'm about to go to show y'all is the reason why I do this content. Parents, we got to be careful on how we send our children out here half dressed. We got creeps out in the mall. We got predators everywhere eyeballing our children, okay? This guy was caught by mall security taking photos of young girls' rear end. And not to mention that he was sending it to his buddies in prison. And when he was caught red-handed, he straight up lied to the authorities. So without further ado, let's go ahead and check out this right clip.
Hello. We need to talk to you, boss. You want to come over here? All right, so we're going to call you recording people.
Huh?
You're recording?
I've been recording like that for my Facebook and stuff like that. I do that stuff.
Do you mind if I see what you recorded? Do you mind if I see it? Go to your recents. Let's see the last 3 videos. All right, so we're asking you to delete those pictures.
Sure, no problem. I mean, all this shit, I got no problem.
The only thing is that the store that you were at right now, the young lady felt uncomfortable and she was just asking if you...
Oh, no, that won't happen no more. No problem.
And then before we head out, just go. I'm gonna have you go to your recently deleted and delete those also, okay?
Okay, no problem.
See, look right there. You know what I'm saying? So dudes sitting around the store, the mall, taking these pictures of our children. And I told you, okay, later in the video, watch how he exposes himself.
Why are you recording in this mall?
The same way other people do, sir.
From our point of view, it looked like you were taking pictures of a bunch of girls from behind.
I send the guys. That's what I send.
Most of those girls were probably underage.
No, hell no, brother.
You know how I know? I saw the uniform, the school uniform.
Nah, there ain't no school uniform there. Thanks.
There was. And you're taking pictures of females behinds, females fronts. So we're gonna hang out here for a second. We're gonna have somebody else come talk to you.
You already deleted them?
I got him on this.
Now we don't have pictures. Okay.
Hello?
How you doing?
Good. All right, you obviously realize why we're here.
Yes.
Okay, I realize the pictures have already been deleted.
Yes, please.
However, the complainant, the victim, is still looking to sign complaints against you.
Oh.
Okay? So, do you have any form of identification?
I do.
Okay, may I have that, please?
Yes, miss.
Thank you.
Yes.
So, right now you're being detained for a crime. Okay?
I'm crying.
You're taking pictures of someone's rear end, of someone's pelvis area.
Oh, man.
Okay, the other officer saw the pictures.
Yeah, but I'm
He
saying
said-
I take pictures of everybody, though. I can take pictures of everybody, like anybody takes pictures of me.
You can take
Video.
pictures of females that when they're caught and you're taking a picture of their rear ends.
No, I would for my friends in prison. They want to see how the world, the way they dress now is what I was showing though. How women are here dressed half naked. If you see my pictures, ain't none of them like Muslims dressed completely.
But do you not understand that that doesn't?
It's not for me, miss.
But it's
for
on
my
your
friend.
phone. Either way, it's on your phone.
No,
You're in possession of those pictures. Do you understand? You know what I'm saying?
But they're just pictures. Miss.
Do you understand what I'm saying though? You don't have permission to take a picture of someone's rear end. You don't have that permission. Period. You don't. That person is not giving you permission to take pictures of them. Okay?
I have this the other time. Nobody has.
So listen, y'all, what do you think he's taking these pictures for? Put that down in the comments. He's taking these pictures to send them to his friends in prison. Now I told you, continue to watch this video and this dude will incriminate himself. Okay? So please put that down in the comments. Why do you think this dude is taking these pictures and sending them to his friends in prison? It's not the reason why you say to show the world to show them how the world is dressing. Those are kids. The officer had already said that they was in school uniforms.
Permission, miss.
That's great because nobody maybe has seen you.
No, I'm saying they recorded me and they don't have any permission.
Okay, this person does not agree to it. Period. This is going to be a disorderly conduct. So basically, I'm going to issue you a citation. You're going to have a mandatory court date.
Let's go, please.
Huh?
Let's go.
Okay, you're on my time. Okay, so you don't need to.
No, I was just saying.
But I'm just saying, hang out, okay?
Because
This is.
what your name is. That's shame. I ain't doing stuff for that reason.
You don't do that stuff, but you just told me you send pictures of that of women. I don't care. As a woman, I don't appreciate that. Do you understand what I'm saying? You don't have my permission to take a picture of my rear end or of the front of me. Do you understand? I don't give you that permission, and neither does she. That's where I'm at with this. So you should be, at the moment, grateful that this is a cite and release, and I am not taking you into the police station.
I'm not.
Whether you are or aren't, I'm telling you.
Yes, I just said that. Okay, you know. I
But you
understand
think
what
it's
you
not
wanna
a
do.
big deal, and I'm telling you it's a big deal. So if I may suggest going forward, you ask a female, may I take a picture of your rear end? I'm going to be honest, if you get a yes, that's a
I'll show
problem.
you the
I don't
clips,
need to
miss.
see.
I'll
I'm
show
just
you.
telling you, you get permission from somebody.
I got it, miss.
You don't take pictures like
I
that.
understand.
You're going to end up and find yourself in a lot harder position than where you are today. So I suggest you put this on the back burner and you don't get hired for this position anymore. You'll be the one in jail with your friends if you keep that shit up.
Oh, you talking about taking pictures?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
I don't got no problem with you, miss. I understand
I
you're
appreciate
upset
that.
at me.
I don't have a
understand
problem
that.
with you.
And now I
I'm
know,
telling
miss,
you
but I'm
in the
telling you,
point of where I have a
understand.
problem with this
And I
situation.
get it. And that's what
Okay.
I'm telling you. Now I know, miss. Now I know, miss. Now I know. Believe me. Now.
Okay, so what's gonna happen, Mr. Chavez?
Yes.
Okay, what's gonna be banned from the mall indefinitely, okay? Which means that you can only return to the mall. Olive Garden, Miller's.
Man, news.
Miller's.
Well, thanks for telling me. Now I know. I know.
It's mall property, so just so you're aware.
I didn't know all that.
No.
So what is it then, though?
Yeah, so return to mall property, that needs to be right to criminal trespass, okay? I need you to sign this acknowledging that I spoke to you about being trespassed, okay?
You don't look right. I need to stop caring about what my friends that I made in prison want. I'm doing this for my dumbass friends.
Okay, how are you sending those pictures? Are you printing them out and handing them out?
Walgreens.
Right.
And then you sell them.
Right. Okay, but they're on your phone.
No. What I'm saying is, that's what I
No,
was doing.
when you listen.
I'm listening.
What was the purpose of you taking those photos?
I be recording everywhere I go for my friends in prison, so, and I send it to
Why do you
Me
friends in
personally-
prison want to see a woman's buttocks?
Because they're in prison, so they can see, they can have sex. Because I can't. I'm paralyzed and stunted and
So you're taking pictures for another person?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, yeah, if you're
Yeah.
you don't want to face, face it, they like to look at it. You know that. But look, sir, only reason
Boom. Did you not hear what he just said? He's taking these pictures for his friend in prison for sexual gratification. Boom. Okay. Listen, y'all parents. We are handing these jerks over our children when we allow our kids to dress like this. Teenagers, this is what you're doing to yourself when you walk out the house with your little booty shorts, showing your back of your butt. This is what you're doing to yourself when you think you're sneaking out the house, when I'm going to get dressed at the mall with my friends and we're going to teeny bop, however you want to call it, at the mall because my parents not there. I'm going to be a hotsy-totsy while my parents not there. This is what you're doing. Okay? You're not being slick. You're causing yourself to be in a vulnerable position because you got creeps like this dude right here who's handicapped, right? But yet he got his phone out flashing pictures of you, sending it to his friends back in prison, and ain't no telling what else he's doing with it. Because he's saying that he in the beginning of the video is for his Facebook. So now that he's putting it on his Facebook, so now everybody else that he knows who you are. If he's able to take that picture from the back of you, he already slid and took a picture of your front. Now he know your face. They know what mall you come to. They know what time of day it is. So what happens now if he's up here at these times and now he gets your track record? Oh, now she's up here at this time. Now she's up here with this person. Guess what? He has your whole mall trip recorded. That's how the trafficking begins. So listen, you only cause yourself to be in the hot seat when you do these things right here. And parents, when you allow your kid to dress like this, you're only handing them over to the enemy. I was in the mall with my wife and my 5-year-old child. And these girls dress like they own the streets, trying to find some dudes to go pimp out or something, however you want to call it, like strippers, like prostitutes, and they teenagers. I wouldn't dare allow my child to come out the mall like that. And what makes it worse, they walk the mall with their parents next to them. And you can tell the girls who are innocent and you can tell the girls who are hot. So listen, I'm going to play the rest of the video because this dude here don't got a bit of sense. Watch how he continued to bury himself.
They're half naked out here, and that's why they're. And look, people have recorded me. I didn't know you can do that. He's the first. I swear on my mother.
You understand that can alarm and disturb someone, right?
No, well, yeah, I
Yeah.
I'm not telling me like, okay, I see that they was upsetting because they don't know why I don't like they recorded, but they do it all the time. I didn't know. I thought we were public, so.
You can pull up deleted photo.
No, they recently deleted it. You don't believe it. Delete it.
Tell me.
Yeah, no problem, sir. You deleted it all, sir. And look, the Walgreens app is where I put all the pictures. Right here, a photo, and then I go to prints, and that's where I get all the pictures of my device.
Just say you don't know you're doing anything wrong.
Well, because, sir, I was.
So then why is it in some hidden folder?
No, it's not. It's not. It's not. It's not.
A Walgreens app is a hidden folder
No, it's
on
not.
your phone.
No, it's
so
not.
you can hide pictures.
No, it's not, sir.
You know what? Just show us the pictures. I don't want to have a stupid argument. Thank you. Take a lot of those pictures.
I told you from my phone to prisons. I did 25 years. I did that.
Okay, well, every time you do that, you run the risk of getting arrested. I don't want to hear an excuse. You know you're doing shit you're not supposed to be doing. Period.
This is only a clip, okay, of what these predators are out here doing, okay? We got to keep our children safe, and as well, children, you got to keep yourself safe as well. So parents, show this to your children. Show this to our girls, okay? Show this to our boys, because it's no different, okay? Stay alert, stay alive out there, okay? Keep your head on the swivel, keep God first, put God first. In Jesus' name, amen.